Daylight has been looking at ambient light rejecting technology for about 8 years. Now we have a surface we are ready to put in front of Pro AV, home theater, and put our logo on. Parallax 0.8 is a micro-layered surface that ships unassembled and is very easy to install. It has a very wide viewing half angle of 85 degrees, and it comes in sizes up to 120-inch diagonal. Each layer in the micro-layered surface has a function. Some layers are black and absorb light from the sides, while another layer is shaped like a sawtooth and it physically blocks the light from above. Parallax 0.8 is a great product for any room with a lot of overhead light or a lot of ambient light from windows. It's also an excellent choice for any room that requires a larger display than a flat panel. When compared to other tech out there, Parallax is glare and speckle free and has a very wide viewing half angle of 85 degrees.